afternoon, friends. In today's picture, I have seen 3 to 4 characters with an instructor, and my leading character is Abhishek, who is 18 years old. He has qualified for the SSB and got a call letter. He successfully gone through the verbal and non-verbal test, and as well as a picture description. Finally, he was selected for the second stage and he cleared well. So now he is going through his GTO task. He is willing to do it very well and complete it successfully. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. From the picture, I have perceived 7 to 8 characters, and my main character's age is 23 years, and his mood is positive, and he is a male, and the other characters are also always in the mood of positive, and they are also in the age of 22 to 24 age. My story starts like this. Rahul, who is a graduate in his final year, he is looking for job. So from his college, no one has ever joined in the Indian military. So he thought he should do something else. So he decided to join the Indian Army. For that he applied and he got a call for the SSB. There he really performed very well and cleared the stage 1, and he also performed very well in the psychological test. For the first time, the whole group has come to a practical problem to solve. That was the progressive group task. There they were all confused. Rahul was the one who took initiative and helped the group. He gave ideas, and that is how they cleared the PGT. And not only that, Rahul performed as well, consistently well in all other tasks. He went through the SSB and got recommended, and he set an example for the others in his college. Seeing him, others also joined the armed forces. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I perceive 6 to 8 characters. In this, Rahul is the main character of age around 24 to 28 years of age, and is in positive mood. He was working in a front leading corporation. There was a flooded area and 4 to 5 members were not able to move in water block areas. So he thought of making a platform from the debris which was all around and not able, and so he collected the debris, tied them with the ropes and helped the others who were not able to do so. So he was thanked by the members who were not able to move, and he also went and he was also able to save the other people who were stuck. Thank you.
Friends, here from the picture I saw 7 to 8 characters. All were in positive mode. My main character is Tarak, who was an engineer, who was very much motivated from his relative, who was an officer in Indian Air Force, for the adventurous life and the respect for the life. Then he appeared for the AFCAT exam, and he cleared it. While in SSB, while doing group testing, he came with many solutions, and his group, he also took the solution from his group members and successfully cleared the task. After clearing, he became an officer in the Indian Air Force. Then after that, when he went back to his hometown, he motivated many young students who were searching for a career, and also the younger students to join the armed forces. And by his motivation, many people joined armed forces.
Good afternoon, friends. By seeing the picture, I perceive 4 characters. All of them are male. 3 of them are young men and NCC cadets. My hero in this picture is Anmol. He is a 22 years old NCC cadet. With his friends, he went off trekking. While crossing the beach, he heard the sound of a child drowning. He suddenly took the initiative and jumped off the bridge to help the child. His other friends also helped him by coming near to the river. While after he taken up the child, his friends also helped him giving the props of the ferry nearby. He had taken a child safely to the shore. Also, they all provided him a first aid kit and went him to the nearby hospital to provide him medical facilities. From there, they called their parents and called their parents. The parents were thankful for their cooperation and the helpfulness to saving their child. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In the picture, I have seen 7 to 8 people. both male and female. My main character, and all are in positive mood. My main character is Anubha, who is 23 years old. She hails from a village. She was very keen to join defense forces since childhood. So she joined NCC in her college. After completing her graduation, she applied for NCC entry. So after taking suggestions from her seniors, they suggested her to join any training institute of SSB so that she can gain practical knowledge and fair idea about the process. So after joining the training institute, she while performing the GTO task, many of the group members were stuck with an obstacle. Since she was from NCC, she applied the idea she has learned in the NCC and carried forward with the group task and completed the progressive group task. Then after that, after gaining knowledge of the SSB, she went to SSB and cleared her SSB. Then after that, she motivated and helped other people from her village to clear the SSB. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. Pictures shown to us, I have seen 7 to 8 characters. All were in a positive mode and their age was between 18 to 22. Friends, my story goes like this. Pinky always aimed for a career where she would become an army officer, and
You can speak in Hindi also. No problem. Carry on.
Good afternoon, friends. Pictures shown to us, I have seen 7 to 8 characters. All are in a positive mode and their age is between 18 to 22. In my story, Pinky is the main role, and from her childhood, she always had a aim to join in the armed forces. So, because she had this thought, because she always thought that it was a noble job and respect worthy and even good pay and allowance. So she had this aim from her childhood and she got joined in a good degree college with NCC and scored good marks. Then she applied for the SSB NCC special entry and she got a call-up letter and she attended SSB, where she had to undergo different stages like stage 1 and stage 2. Though she was a brilliant girl, she succeeded in the stage 1, and in the stage 2 she has to undergo the GTO task, where in the GTO task she had the test of command task where she was a leader. As a leading role, she conducted the task very well and succeeded, and in the final her name was in the merit and recommended as a successful officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In this picture, I have seen 8 to 10 members. My main character is Manoj, age 30. He joined in the school. He joined as a physical education master in a government higher secondary school in some village in Tamil Nadu. After he joined the school, he saw so many students without proper knowledge in physical education department. They didn't even participate in the sports, and then they didn't even attend the sports period. So he had some plans, and then he met the principal and told about his plan to increase the knowledge of physical education and then get them participate into the physical education, every sports. So he got some fund allocation from the government by making a request, and he gave some students, he gave some ideas to the students and then tell them how important physical education to our life is. And then he got them played well, he got them motivated, and then he can understand them how important the physical education is. After that, every student participated in a sports competition and sports period. They played very well in that school. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, good afternoon, friends. As seen in the picture, there are nine characters. 8 are male, and they're all in positive mood, and one is a female. She's in a neutral mood, and like they're a group of friends. They decided to play a game of completing a obstacle task. So they divided themselves into two groups. So the main character in this is John. He's a male, 23 years, and he belongs to group 1. And there are two groups, group 1 and group 2. They decided to compete against each other, and they had to complete an obstacle in a limited time. So they kept a time limit for this. Who completes the task first, they win the competition. So then John helped the team. John suggested some ideas to the team to complete the task and help everyone in the team to cross the obstacle and then win the obstacle task to complete to win the event. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. What I saw in the picture were 8 to 4 characters. My main character is Kalpana, who is a commander, and she's in positive mood. She's 24 years old. They're in an institution where they divide into 2 groups during a training. They have to perform a task where the group that is performing the task gets stuck in one obstacle. So she gives them ideas on how to overcome their obstacle. The group also gives ideas and she welcomes all the ideas. They all cooperate well, and that's how they perform better and more faster than the other.
Good afternoon, friends. The picture I perceived, I saw 8 to 10 people who were all in positive mood. My main character is Balvendra, who is an engineer, an electrical engineer. He is bright and beauteous, and he always aspired to be in the Air Force. So he aspires to be an Air Force officer. So he, in order to achieve his dream, he appears for the AFCAT examination and clear it with flying colors. Then he comes for the SSB, and during the SSB, this scenario, this scene, the picture depicts the GTO task. The group planning exercise task of the category GTO, in which he, along with his group, is going through the exercises. So he guides his group with great determination, and takes his group along through the obstacles and clears the SSB and serves the nation.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I saw about nine people in the picture. 8 of them were men and one was a female. So my main character is Ram. He is 18 years of age and a male. He was in a positive mood. Ram had a passion to join the Indian Navy. So he could not pass the SSB in the first attempt. So he joined a coaching center, and he tried very hard. And after trying very hard, he got another call letter for SSB. Where he went and he got recommended, and he made his father and mother work proud. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My story consists of 6 characters, aged between 20 to 23 years. All of the moods are positive. In my story, I'll be focusing on a character named Saransh. Saransh was doing well in the PGT, however, he was unable to clear one obstacle. So his group mates helped him clear the obstacle by bridging the gap. So hence Saransh developed a new sense of respect and camaraderie for his teammates.
Good afternoon, everyone. I perceived in the picture that was shown, I perceived about 8 to 9 characters. My main character is Manoj, who's of age 23. In the situation, I perceived a command task which was performed in SSB. So he had an ambition to join the army, and therefore applied through the TGC entry after his engineering, and he got cleared, he got selected, and then he went to the SSB. So this is the situation where the command task is happening, and he was the commander. So in this task, what was happening was he was in the middle of the whole group, where he was sent a few people ahead so that he can actually see the whole problem from the middle of the whole situation, and few were behind him. There was a challenge where he could not get a few of them behind him since the helping material was not reaching to his place, and therefore he came with an ingenious idea to actually make a cantilever where he can put the helping material in such a way that the other persons can come, and therefore he helped his team to move ahead, and all his teammates were really appreciated his effort in kind of solving the problem and got motivated, and they did even better in their command task.
Yes, sir.